competition. Here today are teams from across South Florida. In drones, there are skills fields and teamwork fields. When the programmer programs, they're programming it to go through all of the obstacles in the skills course. When a pilot tries to fly through them, they try and use hand-eye coordination to go through the arches and land successfully. Why I love drones is the fact it's all about having fun, learning, and competing in competitions. With this brand new cutting-edge technology, we can go fly with military drones to try and protect our country. So drones will provide us many new and amazing careers.
This competition is the Philip Rowland Memorial Drone Competition. It's named for my son. It's a labor of love for me with drones and robotics. As long as they're having fun and learning something, that's what I care about.
It's been an amazing day here at Estridge, and this is one competition where all the competitors are flying high.